Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO X6 and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. Let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find digital well-being and parental controls. Let's tap on it. And as you can see, this is the graph which will show us for how long we've been using the device today. As you can see, in my case, over 1 hour. Most of the time I've spent on the settings, Free Fire, and then the Play Store, Chrome, phone, camera, and other. What is more, we've got unlocks and the notifications count. And basically, we've got two different ways to check some further details. You can tap inside this graph and you will be able to see the dashboard with a specific time you've spent on the screen in particular days. You can change the screen time to the notifications received and times opened, and under it you've got the list of apps which you've been using with a specific time you've spent on them, so you can compare particular days. And the second way is to tap on the app, so for example the settings, Play Store, whatever. Just tap on it and again you will have the dashboard, but this time it is tightly connected with one app. Again, you can change the screen time to the notifications received and times opened, and from daily to hourly. Not only we've got this graph which will show us the information, but also we've got the ways to disconnect. So if you will decide that you spend totally too much time on the screen on particular apps, and then you can set, for example, the focus mode, bedtime mode, or the dashboard. Just tap on it. Right now you can choose the apps. In the focus mode, you can choose apps which are distracting for you. So, for example, some kind of social media or any games, whatever. You can mark them. Set a schedule, so you can choose particular days of a week with particular time, and then your device will basically hide the notifications from those apps, so you will not be disturbed. You can work peacefully. So I highly recommend to check those options to improve your digital well-being. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.